Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by locking down the essentials. Buy a domain and pick hosting that fits your traffic expectations. Once purchased, link domain DNS to your host and install WordPress or a static site generator. This gets your site live. Make sure to create a simple content map with 3 to 5 categories so navigation is clear. This guides templates and URLs. Early choices determine speed and maintenance, so choose managed hosting for fewer ops, or a VPS if you want full control. Next, build your site's shape and substance. Install a responsive theme or framework and apply a child theme for safe customizations. Once done, create core pages like About and Contact, then publish 5 starter posts to populate archives and test navigation. Configure permalinks for clean URLs and add an SEO plugin plus sitemap so search engines index you. Link Google Analytics or equivalent to measure visitors. These steps ensure users find content, and you can iterate based on real data. To finish, optimize performance and lock down security. Enable SSL, caching, and a basic firewall, then test load speed and mobile layout. Once satisfied, schedule automated backups and a weekly update routine for themes and plugins so you avoid vulnerability creep. Publish and promote 1 post per week to build momentum. If something breaks, restore the most recent backup, disable plugins one at a time to isolate conflicts, and review server error logs to identify exact causes. This saves time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.